As never before, and maybe as never again, the Arctic really needs voices to be heard about why the Arctic matters. We have one chance now to get it right.
From space, the Arctic looks like an icy desert. But the truth is, it's full of life. Blue whales, polar bears, little hawks, foxes, seals, walruses. These unique animals live in the Arctic, and their lives are dependent on sea ice. Sea ice is their home. Think of it like an upside-down coral reef that protects and supports the foundation of life in the Arctic. Thousands of species of algae, as well as krill, thrive on sea ice, along with the whales, seabirds, and many marine mammals also depend on it for survival. We depend on it too. The Arctic is our planet's air conditioning system and has been regulating our climate for millions of years. But now the Arctic is in big trouble. Temperature is rising there faster than any other place on Earth. Sea ice extent is rapidly declining. Water is becoming acidic. Ice levels have reached record lows, and glaciers are melting. Our use of fossil fuel is causing the unstoppable release of greenhouse gases, which wreak havoc on our ecosystem. The disappearance of critical sea ice habitat spells the end of many marine animals, including 2/3 of the world's polar bears, which will likely be gone in the next 30 years. We could lose blue whales, seabirds, seals, and foxes as well. Gone, vanished, forever. As ice melts, sea levels will rise all over our planet. Coastal cities like New York, Jakarta, London, Mumbai, Bangkok, and Shanghai will be underwater. But it's not too late. We can act now. We still have time to save the Arctic and to heal our planet. We have an idea. A plan. In 2015, we will embark on a voyage to capture the fauna and landscapes of the Arctic in a way that no one else has ever seen before. We will document the effects of climate change firsthand and share the truth of this fragile environment. We will then produce a movie, a book, and a series of exhibitions to inspire appreciation and love for the Arctic and all the amazing animals that call it home, while drawing attention to the impacts of climate change. We need you to support this mission.
Artists for the Arctic on the Elysium expedition. Listen up, join up, come along, be a part of the action, be a part of what it takes to take care of the Arctic. It takes care of us.
We believe that we can change the world, and you can help us make that change. You can help save the Arctic by contributing to our project. Check out some of the rewards available to you by supporting us.